got a Chevy Utility 1.4. This is a 2012 model. Very clean car that I'm preparing for a client of mine. He's requested that we fit a performance exhaust system, so we are going to put in a mini cat and a stainless steel exhaust system. So I just wanted to let you hear what it sounds like before it's done and after. So here we go. Okay, before we fit the exhaust system, she sounds like this. Let's take a listen from the exhaust. This is idle. Now she's gonna give it a rev. Very quiet. Very, very quiet. Chevy is going onto the lift. The new exhaust. So let's hear what it sounds like. Oh yes. Deep. So, what do you think? Definitely much nicer with the full system.